Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down menu in Wix. It's really easy, so just follow my steps. First things first, we have to pick the project that we want to, or pick a website that we want to make the change on. There is Marcus Stone one and my site. I want to log in as Marcus Stone, which I am, and go and click on edit site. Once we are at edit site, you see that this is our humble site, and let's say we want to create those drop downs. What we have to do is focus on left side and click on menus and pages. In here we have product page, shop, cart page, and thank you page. Let's say we want to make a cart page drop down from shop page. All you have to do is click on the cart page. One second. Let's go with menu like this. Inside menu, we have home, shop, and portfolio. And let's say you want to make the portfolio drop down or sub page of shop. And all you have to do is click with your left button and move it a little bit right. And all you have to, as you can see, we have shop, and underneath this is portfolio. It's also changing inside of your website. So you have home button, portfolio button, and shop button. And we want to make this shop underneath the portfolio, let's say. So it disappeared, but it's a side button or drop down button underneath the portfolio. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.